Hey friends, today we're diving into something straight out of science fiction, the 3D printer. A machine that builds objects? Are we in the future? Wait, how does this alien device even work? So how do 3D printers actually work? A 3D printer doesn't print, it constructs. Imagine a robot holding a hot glue gun, carefully building up an object layer by layer. It takes a digital model, like a phone case or a little statue, and slices it into hundreds of super thin layers. Then it builds them up, one at a time, until boom, you've got a real thing. What can 3D printers make? Phone cases, airplane parts, fake teeth, houses, yes, real concrete houses, and even synthetic steak. Here's what most people don't know. 3D printers don't just use plastic. Some of them work with metal, resin, ceramics, even living cells. Yes, scientists are trying to 3D print organs like kidneys and hearts. We might soon hear a doctor say, "Just a sec, let me print your tooth." Are 3D printers dangerous? Yep, they can be used to print weapons. Some materials release toxic fumes if not ventilated. And if you mess up the settings, congrats. You've printed a plastic spaghetti monster. Wrap up. If you found this cool, hit that like button and subscribe. Comment below. If you had a 3D printer, what's the first thing you'd print?